Hey everybody, welcome home. This is our new listing located in the heart of Mount Pleasant, one of the most desirable neighborhoods. Welcome to 1487 Pine Island View. It is a charming 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home nestled in the heart of Mount Pleasant's sought-after Oakhaven Plantation neighborhood. It was built in 1990. This over 2,200 square foot home offers a blend of contemporary design and comfortable living. As you step inside, you're greeted by an open floor plan, accentuated by soaring vaulted ceilings and an abundance of natural light. This spacious living room features a cozy fireplace, perfect for relaxing evenings. Recent updates include brand new flooring and fresh coat of paint throughout the interior and exterior of the home. Situated on a well-maintained lot, this property boasts new garage doors and updated PEX plumbing. Oakhaven Plantation offers residents a variety of amenities, including a community pool, tennis courts, and a scenic walking trail, fostering vibrant and active lifestyles. Location is key on this one. It delivers unparalleled convenience. You're just minutes away from pristine beaches, premier shopping destinations, and top-rated restaurants. Historic downtown Charleston is also within reach, offering a rich tapestry of cultural and historical sites. Mount Pleasant boasts a diverse culinary scene. For seafood enthusiasts, Charleston Harbor Fish offers fresh catches with stunning water views. If you're in the mood for sushi, Wasabi at Mount Pleasant provides a modern twist on traditional Japanese dishes. For beach lovers, Sullivan's Island and Isle of Palms are just a short drive away, offering sun-soaked shores and a variety of water activities. The nearby Shem Creek area is perfect for kayaking, paddleboarding, and enjoying the vibrant local wildlife. Experience the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and coastal living at 1487 Pine Island View. This home is more than just a residence, it's a gateway to the Lowcountry lifestyle. And as you see here, we have plenty of storage. So many folks move here from up north and complain that we don't have basements, and they are in a lack of storage and cannot park in the garage because they use them for storage. Well, check out that storage, as this raised home offers so much to put your paddleboards, kayaks, anything you need down there. There's tons of storage as well as tons of room to park. This house is an ideal location, so it will go fast. Please contact us today for a showing. This is Suzy Torres with Carolina One Real Estate Lowcountry Elite Group, serving real estate for over 20 years. 843-425-9451. We'd be happy to set up a showing for you.